we need top of the range machines, and that's exactly what we are investing in.
We're here at Armeg. They are a hammer drill and power tool accessories manufacturer. In fact, they produce over 600 products to industry. But today we're going to talk about one product in particular, because you've gone on a little bit of a journey with this, haven't you, Paul?
I certainly have. This product has given me nightmares for years. It's very, very challenging to make. We used to do this in 3 operations. We used to have to turn, we used to have to shank. Because of the shape of the product, it was so hard to get it to come off the machine, so we had to make an extra part on the end that then was manually removed.
That's going to cost you quite a bit of money as well.
Certainly, and not to mention servicing as customers. So that's what we pride ourselves on here, is price, quality and service.
But this isn't the only success story of parts that you've got from these machines.
No, that's right. I mean, we've just launched this product here, the roofing bolt driver, and if it wasn't for that machine, we would not have been able to get that machine. Has allowed us to be able to do that and release that product, and it's doing very well.
Andrew, how does the new investment in a Star machine relate to you bringing in new business for Armeg?
Well, if I'm out trying to bring in the new business and I secure new business, and then we come back here at base and we can't physically manufacture it, that might be down to simple manufacturing capabilities that we can't accomplish. That may be down to we cannot manufacture the parts cost effectively enough. It might just be because we haven't got enough capacity back here, but the point I'm making is without these new investments, we wouldn't be able to take on any new business.
So why go for this particular model? Because you've got quite a few Stars here on site.
We do. We originally invested in an SR machine, which was fantastic. We got it for a certain product. That product didn't quite fly, and then we realised how versatile these machines actually are. We were loading it with new products all the time, but we quickly discovered that the capacity was filling up on the SR, and we needed to relieve capacity again. Now, an SW was a lot more suited to the new products that we were bringing in as a whole. These machines suited the geometries of those products.
Tell me more about the geometries then of this machine and what you're capable of.
Okay, so the SR, to focus on, is an extremely versatile machine. It'll let us go up to much physically larger components, up to 38mm diameter. However, on the smaller products, it's sort of like a jack of all trades. Our products are predominantly much smaller and need to work to much tighter tolerances and need to churn these products off at a much higher rate. These SW machines allow us to do that. They have more axes and they have more capabilities. It's free channel programming and it's free channel machining, which essentially allows you to have 3 different cuts in the material simultaneously. So if you think on a standard older sliding head lathe, your cycle time might be 5 minutes. You can third that cycle time by having 3 different operations, 3 different cuts in one go on these machines.
You went for one SR machine,
yep.
And within a year you went for another one.
We went for the SR originally, and like I was saying, it was fantastic, extremely versatile, but the new products we were bringing in and the new products we were releasing, the new business we were securing, an SW would suit those products more. So we then invested in an SW, and that was fantastic. The amount of products we were churning out. There was a product we took on, and we only took it on because we had the SR machine. If we didn't have the SR machine, it wouldn't have been cost effective to manufacture that. And we managed it in 3 minutes. We thought that was fantastic. The SW actually sliced that in half, and that's a 90-second cycle time on the SW now, which is fantastic. We were winning. As we took on more new business and released more new products, we then ran out of capacity on this machine. Hence, a year later, we ordered a brand new SW, which again alleviated that capacity issues that we had. Absolutely. So, as I've just explained, we've invested in 2 new SW machines, and that was really to alleviate the capacity. Now we're starting to run low on capacity on the new machine, so we've had to go for SCP. Now SCP is a sort of a swarf control, and it works via oscillation. And what it means is you can control the length of the chips. Your main problem when you're trying to run these machines on lights out is your swarf control. So your operator might set the machine, an hour when he's just got back home, let's say, the machine's stopped down to swarf. We've worked out that over our sort of vast array of components, SCP actually increases capacity by 5 hours every single night of the week.
And what's that doing for you?
And that will therefore help us grow the business, you know. It's extra capacity, and when I'm going out and trying to get this new business, it's more capacity for me to bring in that new business.
So, would you grow Armeg if you didn't invest in machines like this?
No, absolutely, it wouldn't be possible. You need to invest, but we need to invest for us to grow the business further. For us to take on and release new products, we need top-of-the-range machines, and that's exactly what we are investing in.